Hi, this is Heather, the Fed Up Foodie, where I inspire busy people who love to cook and bake so that you feel inspired in your kitchen. Today I'll be sharing flavorful roasted baby potatoes that can be done incredibly easy and fast in an air fryer. After washing, it's important to thoroughly towel dry the potatoes. Doing this will allow the oil to stick to the surface of the potatoes, which means the spices will stick better also. Another thing that is crucial is to use a high heat oil like avocado oil before cooking in an air fryer. It is important to note that air fryers highly recommend not to use olive oil. However, drizzling a little bit of good quality olive oil on after cooking is perfectly fine. Okay friends, I have to tell you, the Ninja air fryer has shot ahead of almost all my other kitchen tools this last year. I adore this specific model because it roasts potatoes so well. It also does an amazing job grilling meats and makes the best crispy tacos with the air crisp feature. Also, as you can see from the screen, the Ninja does an excellent job guiding you as to when to stir or flip your food. These baby potatoes are wonderful served next to steaks, pork chops, chicken. I also like cutting up the leftovers and adding to taco meat as a way to serve more people. For a full breakdown of tips and the exact measurements, head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and go to the recipes tab. From there, choose the meal option and then side dishes. Also, don't forget to follow along for more recipe inspiration.